Hello, welcome to Writing 122. I am Beth Aidlott. I'm your instructor for this term. I've been teaching this course for quite a while and haven't gotten tired of it yet. It's argument, research, and multimodal composition. Take this title very seriously. All the writing we'll be doing in this class is argumentative, persuasive. We will work on developing an argument and supporting it. We will work on doing research to find sources to support your point of view so that you can be more persuasive. And then multimodal composition. What that means is we live in an age now where text is just not enough. We need emojis, we need smiley faces, we need illustrations. So we'll work on that, doing illustrations. We'll be looking at different ways to communicate through blogs, through emails, through letters to the editor, through podcasts. This is an online class. Even though we will be doing Zoom occasionally, there will be no time when you will be required to be in front of your computer. If we do Zoom meetings, they will be workshops, optional, or they will be recorded. So don't worry about that. What that means, though, is that you'll have to develop time management skills to develop time for yourself when you plan to sit down in front of your computer and do your work. The important things here, I am looking at the Moodle page here, is to read the Getting Started and the syllabus. Syllabus, everything you need to know about the course. Talks about grades, talks about late papers, what you can expect of me and what I will expect of you. The other thing is, since this is an online class, I would look at the due dates very, very carefully. This spells out exactly when everything is due, so you will know what's expected of you and when. Only one book for this course, Dave Eggers' The Circle. This is fiction, probably science fiction, not too far ahead in the future. We will be dealing mainly with social media this term. I picked this subject because I figured all of you have experience with it in some degree, and every single one of you has an opinion. It might change, might not. Anyway, course resources, here again, I'm just walking you through places to get help with Moodle and tutoring, the Writing Center, and also basic needs. We're going through tough times right now. Hopefully there's a light at the end of the tunnel, but we're still suffering, some of us more than others. If you need anything to help you succeed, please, please, please let Lane help you with resources. News and announcement forum, I will be posting email updates every Sunday and every Monday of the term, just to keep all of us on track. Let me know if you need anything or have any questions. Welcome to the term. It's going to be fun.